So, you might be wondering how to exactly fix the error codes in Konica Minolta printers. Well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So, a lot of Konica Minolta error codes pop up because the machine gets stuck mid-process. Now, you want to turn the printer off first, wait for about like 15 seconds, and turn it back on. Now, if the error disappears, it was just temporary glitch. Now, you may want to also check what type of error you're dealing with here. So Konica codes usually fall into categories. So C series here, like the C2152 or the 2558, are hardware or sensor issues. Now J series here usually are paper jams. Now F series are going to be firmware or control board issues. So knowing the category helps you know where to look next. Now, if it's a J series error, you want to open all the doors, side panels, fuser area, paper tray path, and gently remove any jammed paper. Now, even a tiny scrap left inside can trigger non-stop errors. Now, for many C series errors, you can do a trouble reset. Now, you want to turn the printer off, hold the utility or counter button, turn the printer on while still holding the button, and when the trouble reset screen appears, tap the trouble reset, then choose OK. Then restart the printer. Now, if the code disappears, the reset actually worked. Now, also, some errors come from consumables being empty, misaligned, or not seated properly. So, pull out the toner or imaging units here, reseat them firmly, and check if any need replacing. Now, if your error code relates to firmware or the control board, well, updating the machine's firmware often clears it. Now, you can download updates from Konica's support page or have IT install them for you. Now, also, persistent C series errors usually mean a failing component like a fuser, sensor, or transfer belt or board. This is when you call a Konica Minolta technician because those repairs need service mode access and calibration tools. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.